Hi, I am Shannon Storms Beador. I am on the Real Housewives of Orange County, and I am here at QVC to sell my low-calorie food line, Real for Real Cuisine. So what is my baggage? Because I got a lot of it. This is just one small bag that I'm going to open up and show you what I bring to QVC. I've got my eyelashes here because housewives wear the lashes. Let's go through here. One thing that I need when I travel is a noise machine, because last time I was here, the guy was snoring right next to me. It felt like he was in the room with me, but so all I have to do is push white noise. Then I get a good night's sleep. I like natural things, like this is calendula ointment. This is another thing that I have. It's an essential oil. And then there's another thing called Rescue Remedy. I do a sinus rinse every day. So put a little salt and distilled water. So that has to be here when I land. I gotta go. First stop, drugstore, get the distilled water. Fill that up, rinse. These are key. Any brand is good with me, but the under eye patches. Deodorant, I use the natural deodorant. I use many different fragrances and brands, but this is one of them. Because you sweat. When you come to QVC, you sweat a little bit, because you gotta sell. Oh, so I don't ever break out, ever. I haven't for years. Oh, but now I have a few pimples now. So I bought a pimple popper that I brought with me, and I performed a little bit of surgery last night. Beforehand, you probably can still see it. If I could put anything in here, any product, and it would be like one big eraser. And I could just do this on the wrinkles, do this on the pimple, do this on some age spots, and then it'd be all smooth. I don't know if many people pack this stuff when they come to QVC, but I need to be prepared, because I'm here to sell, and I'm here to have fun, and I'm excited that you allowed me to share with you today.